Hello and welcome to Post to Post, the channel where we discuss all things hockey and all teams. This is going to be a very fun episode. It was a suggestion by a subscriber. They want us to review or to rank the all the goal horns or the goal horns. What do you else call them? Horns?
Yeah, horns.
They have goal horns, and the NHL arenas are for the teams. So we're going to go through all 30, and we're not going to rank them. We're just going to give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And then, so I'll play the clip of the horn, and then we'll say the team afterwards. So it'll give you guys an opportunity to kind of guess before I say it. So I'll start with the first one. I'm going thumbs down.
Yeah, I'm going thumbs down.
That was Anaheim.
It's so deep sounding. Sounds like a tugboat.
All right, next.
Thumbs down.
Really? Thumbs up.
Down.
That was Arizona. That was Boston.
That's the only thing I like about the Boston
No.
Bruins. I love that goal horn.
Thumbs down. Too long.
Too long.
Too long.
Way too long.
That was Vancouver.
Ugh.
Washington. Thumbs down.
Overkill.
Thumbs down. Too
Love
long.
it.
Too long.
I like it.
Love
Way
it.
too long. Oh, sorry, that was Winnipeg. Thumbs down. Colorado. Sorry. Thumbs down.
I'm giving this the thumbs up just because I love the cannon.
That's Columbus.
Man, that was an enthusiastic thumbs up.
That's my favorite
Dang.
one. Second, ties for first. That was Dallas.
I'm doing a thumbs up for this one just because it was nice and short.
Detroit. No, I don't like it. I don't like the horns. I don't like the kind of like foghorn ones. I like the train horn ones.
Nice.
Buffalo.
Nice.
Calgary.
Thumbs down.
Yeah, thumbs down.
Sounds like it's broken.
That was Carolina.
See, they should all be short like that.
Chicago.
Man, that was
Thumbs down.
long.
Too long.
That was long.
Ooh, the flip flop.
I'm not an up. I'm a in between down.
That was
Out straight.
Florida. Big
Ugh.
thumbs up for that one. LA.
Too high pitch. Man, they kind of got some dance music
That's
going
too long.
on in the background there.
I'm with him.
Too long. That was Minnesota.
See, this I like because it's very close to the Boston Bruins.
It's kind of in between of a horn and a train horn, like a foghorn and a train horn, and it was short, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. That was St. Louis.
Man,
Thumbs down.
overkill.
That was Tampa Bay.
That's way too long. Nice. Kind of have a little beat going in the background
I'm gonna
there.
thumbs down. That was
It
Toronto.
wasn't as long. That's good.
That Love it.
Not a fan.
Islanders.
No. Oh. Horrendous.
Thumbs down. Rangers. Boo.
World's most famous arena. Come on. Too high pitched. I'm
Yeah,
not
too
a
high
fan of
pitched.
that. Love
I'm
it.
going to give this one a thumbs up. That was Pittsburgh. Did I say the last one? Yeah. Second last one was Ottawa. Last one was Pittsburgh.
Look at how long this is. My goodness.
I think you guys thumbs that one down before it even played.
And it's so deep.
It's too deep.
Too deep.
Philadelphia.
Again, too deep.
That was San Jose. Thumbs down. San Jose. Too deep.
I don't like these deep ones. See, that one sounded broken. I don't think there's something wrong with
I'm
it.
leaning down. That was New Jersey.
Oh.
I'm going to thumb this one up.
Nah.
Thumbs
Dude, that
up.
was painful.
Edmonton.
I hate that sound.
Have you ever been in an accident or seen an accident when someone crashes and the horn gets stuck?
Yep.
That's exactly what it is. It's, ugh. That was Montreal.
Oh my god. I didn't think it was going to end.
Yeah, it was too long. Thumbs down. That
I'm
was
okay with that one.
oh,
Really?
that was Nashville. So that wraps it up. We went through all 30 teams, and next year there'll be a new horn. Be interesting to see what that sounds like. So this is just one of those fun videos, just something we can throw in there in between the serious ones. So we hope you liked it, and we hope you hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and hit that like button if you liked the video. Otherwise, leave a comment down below and tell us what your favorite horn is, and tell us how you did in guessing them. So, like I said, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.